Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making omurice. It's champion rice omelette. Which things I am using now: 4 tablespoons of oil in a hot wok. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Cook for 30 seconds and then add ginger chopped 1 tablespoon and cook few seconds and then add canned pepper. Its taste is delicious. Now mix it and add 2 green chilies. Now add 400 grams of chicken. Mix it nicely and cook until change the color. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Now 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix it nicely. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 small tomato, 1 small onion, 1 small capsicum. You can add more if you want. Now cook it for 1 minute and add 400 grams of boiled rice with 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it nicely. It's looking too much yummy. Now steam for 5 to 6 minutes. We need egg for omelette. 1 pinch of salt. I'm adding 1 pinch of black pepper and 1 pinch of cumin seeds. Mix it and in a hot pan spread the egg and cook both sides. Take a pan, add egg. Now add rice and press them and fold the egg. Fold all sides and take a plate. Place plate over it and turn it carefully. Remove the bowl and garnish with tomato ketchup. Now I'm opening. Look, it's looking yummy and delicious. It's too much tasty. Please try it, like it, love it and eat it.